Hi, in this video we'll look at subscribing to Hava using AWS Marketplace. So if you open up in your AWS console Marketplace and then discover products or search, and then type in Hava into the Marketplace search, and you should have a listing come up that looks a little like this. So select Hava monthly subscription, and that will open up the details about the offering. So you can scroll through and have a look at the setup and what's going on. So here we've got some pricing information, the tiers that are available, professional and teams, and also some additional information. So if you view purchase options, that will take you to the screen where you can sign up. So we offer a 1 month, month by month subscription. So here in the renewal settings, you can set it to renew automatically or not. And then you can select which plan or tier you want to sign up to. So in this instance, we'll connect to professional, and then you'll see the total contract price to the right hand side. Here, click create contract. And then you can confirm, and this will bill your AWS account just like the rest of the resources you have running. So the next stage, you get confirmation here that you can then go and set up your account. This then takes you across to Hava, where you can create your Hava login details. So name, a random name you can give it for the account, and then your login information being your email address and password. Okay, you're then taken to the Hava console, where you can connect your first data source. In this instance, we'll be looking to import an environment from Amazon, which kind of makes sense given that we've come through the marketplace. So this is very simple. It just connects a cross-account role with read-only permissions. So you select the auto configure button, and then the details are all pre-filled for you. So we've got AWS account we're creating. We're connecting to another account outside of yours, which is Hava. Just progress through the screens. Here you can give it a role name. So we've got, in this instance, we'll just use Hava underscore AWS. And you can give it an optional description there as well. So here, click create role. So that's now created the new Hava underscore AWS cross account role. So what we need to do now is open up that role and grab the ARN. So which is detailed here. So if you just click the copy button, that will copy that to the clipboard. Then hop back to Hava, paste in that role ARN into this screen here, and then click import. So that will then go through your AWS configuration and pull in any VPCs that it can find within the account that are already configured and created. So Hava is a tool for mapping out what you already have in your AWS account or Azure or GCP. It's not a drawing tool. It's more of an architecture mapping application. So you can see it's now gone through my demo account and fans and VPCs. So if you have a look at this one here, we can see we've got a couple of EC2 instances, some different subnets, and then selecting on a resource, you can see down the side the attributes are displayed for that particular EC2 instance. So here we can look at security groups, and it will tell us the ports that are open by default, the security groups that were created. We can also look at a list view that shows in detail additional information that's not mapped on the diagrams, so volumes and so forth. So there we have it. That's how to connect to Hava using AWS Marketplace. Thanks for watching.